Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen on the eve of Passover. Today we are getting ready. Tonight we're going to do the special ceremony of checking every corner in the home to make sure we don't have any chametz left over somewhere. But a lot of people don't even realize what is chametz. If I ask that question, what is chametz? Chametz includes any of the 5 grains, the famous 5 grains, which are wheat, barley, spelt, oats, and rye. Those 5 grains are, if they come in contact with water, we know they have the natural tendency, because of the yeast within them, which is a organism that grows on the wheat itself, that lives there, and they're one-celled, and they begin to eat away the sugar, and then they produce a rising dough and an alcohol, and we smell the alcohol a lot of times. So that really is what the Torah prohibits on Passover. Anything that has any part of that within its elements that make up that food item is considered chametz on Passover. We don't eat it. So here you are in my kitchen. I'll just quickly show you certain things that we, nevertheless, even though they don't have chametz, we put them away or we sell them if it's not pure chametz. And let me show you over here. Right now, for example, we're looking at marak batzal. That is onion soup mix. Now, what's the problem with onion soup mix? Well, within the onion soup mix, they put in other kinds of elements, and there's also flour in there. Now, pure flour is really not chametz. That's why you're allowed to sell it, because as long as the flour has not come in contact with water, it doesn't rise. Now, the flour that's used, it's been processed. A lot of times they wash it to remove the outer shells of the wheat and all that, so you got to be careful with it. But pure flour is really not an issue, and especially when it's all in a mixture over here of other items. Now, besides that, take a look here. We have a coffee. We have a taster's coffee, and it's been used, so we're going to put it away. Although it's not chametz, why are you putting the coffee away for? Because when you put a spoon in there, there's a good chance that there might be a couple of crumbs of bread on that. And we're so careful to make sure on Passover that we have no chametz whatsoever. Cleaning and eliminate the chametz from our homes is not only, just in a physical way that the Torah, describes as being cardinal for the Passover holiday, reminding us of coming out of Egypt, but even more so, of course, we always have to think in spiritual realm as well. In the spiritual realm, we have in our hearts a lot of different character traits that we must rectify. They're like chametz, like anger and like laziness and all kinds of other things that are not really proper for normal, well-behaved human beings to behave. And we want to eliminate all those character traits that are not relevant for in our lives. And that's chametz as well. We want to eliminate that. So tomorrow we do the special ceremony of burning our chametz, and we have things that we always put out 10 pieces of little bread, and we collect them, we burn them together with everything that's left over that we didn't finish. And that we'll have in mind to eliminate all the chametz, all our bad character traits, perhaps, certain things that we forgot that we really didn't take care of. We're going to pray to Hashem to help us, okay, we have this issue, please help us rectify it. And that's really what the biur chametz is all about. Not only a physical cleansing, but a spiritual cleansing. And then we enter our holiday with such a feeling of being cleansed in all ways. Anyway, this was a little introduction to the holiday. Hope you enjoyed. Take care, and Pesach Sameach from Friends of Itamar. Shalom, shalom.